Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial for Coinbase Wallet. So it will be a beginner's guide on how to use Coinbase Wallet in 2025. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser and here you need to search for Coinbase Wallet extension, and then you will be redirected on your Chrome web store where you need to press the add Chrome option and wait for some time until the Coinbase Wallet extension installed in your web browser. Now once it is done, you just have to simply click on the Coinbase extension icon in the top right hand corner and then select the option of create new wallet. Now once you tap on it, it will ask you to back up your wallet with the 12 words of secret recovery phrase. So if you want to view this, you just have to simply click on this eye icon and you will see the secret recovery phrase in front of you. So here you just have to copy it and keep it somewhere safe and do not share with anyone else, because with the help of this secret recovery phrase only you will be able to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully copied it, you just have to simply check this box of I understand that if I lose my recovery phrase, I will lose all of the crypto in the wallet. So you need to press continue. Now it will ask you for the confirmation. So it is asking you to verify that you have saved your secret recovery phrase by clicking on the first and then the 12th word. So here if I tap over here, you can see that the first word is tomato and the last word is permit for my secret recovery phrase. So let's just click on first word and then 12th word and press submit. So after doing this, it will ask you to create your password. So here you just have to type a strong password for your wallet. Then you need to verify it by typing the same password. Then you just have to agree to the terms and conditions and press submit. Now wait for some time until it shows you that your wallet is ready. Now it is asking you to claim for free. So you just have to simply click and then make crypto simpler to claim your username. So you just have to simply press continue and here you can select your username. So with the help of this username, you can directly send and receive your cryptos without having any hassle of the crypto wallets. So here you just have to simply type the username of your choice. So let me just type anything, and once it says that this username is available, you just have to simply check the box and then you need to press submit. Now once you're done, it will say that you claimed your username, so you need to press done, and there you go, you have successfully created your Coinbase wallet. Now we will try to understand all of the features of the Coinbase wallet here. So first of all, we have your username that you have just created, and right next to it you will be able to see the copy button. So you can copy your username and you can use it in order to send and receive your crypto. Afterwards you will have this globe type of icon where it will say that not connected and your wallet isn't connected to this website. If it's a crypto dApp, you should see a connect wallet button, so you need to click it to connect. So basically with the help of this option, you can simply connect your Coinbase wallet with dApps or other platforms. Next we have this bell icon. So this is basically the notification hub where you will get all of the notifications. Now this is the section where you will see your available balance, and underneath it you will be able to see a bunch of different options. The first option is of buy. So if you click over here, you need to select the option of add crypto with Coinbase wallet, and then it will redirect you on this page where you just have to click on buy or transfer with Coinbase if you want to just purchase your cryptos with the Coinbase exchange. But if you don't want to select the option, you can even go with buy with debit and credit card, and then you just have to simply provide your details in order to purchase your crypto directly. This option is well working in the Coinbase Wallet mobile application, so you can use that as well. Next you have the option of swap, but before understanding swap we need to understand how you can basically deposit and send your cryptos. So if you want to deposit your cryptos, you need to simply click on the receive button, and these are the networks that you can use in order to deposit your crypto. For example, if you want to use the Solana network in order to send Solana from any other exchange or wallet to your Coinbase wallet, then you simply need to copy the address from here and now you can use this address in order to send Solana into your Coinbase wallet. Now if you don't know how to do it, you can check out the detailed videos on my channel on this topic as well. Next, we have the option of send. So let's say you have some money in your Coinbase wallet and you want to send it to any other wallets or exchanges. So you need to simply press the send button, and from here you just have to paste the address where you want to basically send your crypto. Then you need to enter the amount and conclude your payment. So once the transaction is completed, you will send your crypto from your Coinbase wallet to the wallet that you chose. Now if you click on the swap option, with the help of the swap option, you can basically swap from one crypto to another. So let's say you want to convert base to any other crypto, so you just have to simply choose that and proceed with the transaction. On the home page you will see the crypto section, so where you can see all of your assets. If you click on the NFTs, you will be redirected on the next page where you can view all of your NFTs in this section. Next, you will have the option of DeFi. So if you click on DeFi, you will see all of the DeFi projects that you have in your account here. The next option is of the transactions, where you can see all of your transactions that are completed and information about the testnet. Here the second option is of apps. So again, you can use these applications where you can basically connect to your Coinbase wallet. So this will really help you to add any other coins into your portfolio with the help of these applications over here. So if you go to the settings of your device, you will see a bunch of different settings that you can apply into your Coinbase wallet, and you can view your portfolio information here. So these are some of the settings that you can apply into your Coinbase wallet. Like you can change the theme, appearance, and currency. And if you face any of the problems relating to your Coinbase wallet, you can simply click on the help section, and from here you can create a ticket, and you can even connect with the Coinbase wallet customer executive. So this is the great option that I found in the Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and all in all I showed you all of the options available in the Coinbase wallet. But still, if you face any of the problems, you can just do let me know in the comments, and I'm here to help you out with that. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.